Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon eggs. First, carefully remove the roe from the salmon, ensuring the eggs remain intact. Next, rinse them gently under cold running water to clean them and remove any debris. Then, prepare your brine by dissolving 1/4 cup of non-iodized salt into 1 quart of cold water, stirring until fully dissolved. Once your brine is ready, carefully place the salmon eggs into the solution, ensuring they are fully submerged. Let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This brining process is crucial for both flavor and texture. You'll notice the eggs firming up and their color becoming more intense, indicating they are ready for the next step. After brining, gently drain the salmon eggs using a fine mesh sieve. It's important to remove all excess liquid. Then, spread the eggs out in a single layer on a clean, absorbent surface, like paper towels. Allow them to air dry for 2 to 4 hours. They should feel slightly tacky to the touch, but not wet. Once your salmon eggs are properly cured and dried, it's time for storage. Place them in an airtight container to maintain freshness. You can refrigerate them for up to 2 weeks, which is ideal for immediate use. For longer preservation, freeze the eggs for up to 6 months, ensuring you can enjoy them later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.